Manufacturers of thermal oil boilers in Turkey and their application areas. Introduction. Hot oil boilers play an important role in industrial heating systems. In this presentation, we will provide information about the production sites and areas of use for these boilers. We will focus on the advantages and application areas of hot oil boilers. What is thermal oil? Thermal oil boilers are boilers that carry out heating processes using special thermal oil. One end of the boiler contains a chamber where the oil is heated, and on the other end, there is a chimney system for discharging the smoke produced by combustion. Due to their low cost and high efficiency, thermal oil boilers are preferred in many different industries. Manufacturers. There are 28 thermal oil boiler manufacturing companies in Turkey, distributed as follows. Marmara region, 13 companies. Aegean region, 2 companies. Mediterranean region, 2 companies. Central Anatolia region, 6 companies. Southeastern Anatolia region, 4 companies. Eastern Anatolia region, 1 company. Where are thermal oil boilers used? Before the widespread use of thermal oil boilers, steam boilers were commonly used in industries such as automotive and textile. Later, thermal oil boilers replaced them in many applications. They can be used in any area where heating is required, especially in cases where high temperatures need to be reached. Common application areas of thermal oil boilers: textile industry, paper industry, chemical industry, rubber and plastic industry, soap and detergent industry, petroleum industry, construction materials, food industry, paint sector, packaging and printing industry, oil and mineral oil recycling sector, leather industry. Advantages of thermal oil boilers: better temperature control, lower operating and maintenance costs, safer operation due to low operating pressure, longer lifespan, high efficiency. Features of thermal oil boilers. Thermal oil boilers operate at high temperatures, 300 degrees Celsius, and low pressure. The heat transfer oil can be used for a long time. There is no need for any conditioning unit for the heat transfer oil. Lime scaling or other negative effects do not occur in thermal oil boilers. The heat transfer oil does not cause corrosion in the boiler and the system. And freezing generally does not occur in the system. Safety measures. Safety is a critical element in the use of hot oil boilers. Measures must be taken against hot oil. Leaks and regular maintenance should be performed. Additionally, training is essential for the safety of the employees. Future trends. The future of hot oil boilers is being shaped by technological advancements. Energy efficiency, automation, and remote monitoring systems are among the innovations in this field. Sustainable energy solutions are also gaining importance. Conclusion. Thermal oil boilers play a critical role in industrial processes. Due to their low cost, high efficiency, and long lifespan, their market share is gradually increasing. Along with their production sites and areas of use, the advantages and safety measures of these boilers should be taken into account. Thank you for your attention. Prepared by Abdulaziz Daya, biomedical engineering student. So for any inquiries or questions, please contact us via the email or phone number provided.